Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with this master lock. Now this guy I just purchased at the Home Depot. Just got her open again for the second time. This is number 10 on the Richter scale as far as master goes. So let's see if we can't get her open number 3 times. Well, 4 technically, because I did pick it backwards once. So oh, there goes my... Yeah, really, this is all about picking it, and there we go. So number 10, I don't know, man, not too safe. I did, like I said, I did get this half price because someone jacked the keys from it, but I don't know. It's a Master MX something or other. It does have a boron carbide. It's pretty hefty lock, really, but I mean, I was able to pick it and rake it in just a short period of time. So piece of shit. Again, master lock. So hodgepodge. Anyway, this is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and don't be the master lock.